Number 2 deals with a product of a power property, and this states the following property. X to any exponent of n times x to the exponent of n. What we have to do is we have to add the exponents together. All right. So for this one, x4 times x to the third, we write the same base. We have the exponent of 4 and 3, and then we have to add the exponents together. This will get you the answer of x to the 7. B, here we see a number and some letters. It's better for us to split the number, 4, and then the variables, x to the 5th and x to the 4th. That's going to be multiply and z. X to the 4th and x to the 5, what we can do is now we can add those exponents. Once we add these exponents, we see that the answer is 4x to the first power z. But no one really writes that 1 for the exponent. And now we can see c. Notice that when it is in two parentheses next to each other, they're attached via multiplication. So I'm going to split the numbers first. So 2 times -5. Then I'm going to have my variables. X to the 7 times x to the 4. Then my z to the 5th. 2 times -5 becomes -10. My exponent for the x will add. So 7 plus 4. And then I have my z to the 5. So here I get -10. X 7 plus 4 becomes 11 and z to the 5th. So that would be my solution.